We are pleased to introduce the newly refined version of the car AP40 fully automatic eyelet setting machine. The AP40X retains the fully automatic operation of the original machine without requiring any electrical supply, while improving consistency of washer flow and positioning. With one simple press of a foot pedal, a hole is cut in the material, the eyelet is pressed together with the washer, and both eyelets and washers are automatically replenished in the raceways, preparing the machine for the next cycle. Each complete cycle is just under 2 seconds, resulting in potential settings of 30 per minute. This is quite a respectable speed and certainly much faster than working with a manually loaded machine. Parts handling in the machine is minimal. Eyelets and washers are loaded into bowls. From there, the machine handles the flow and positioning of parts for setting. For the eyelets, during each machine cycle, a pneumatic cylinder is used to spin the bowl and eyelets feed into the raceway below. Each time an eyelet is set, there is room for another eyelet in the raceway. Even if eyelets do not exit the bowl on every cycle, a sufficient number of eyelets remain in the raceway to keep making settings. The vertical orientation of the raceway causes the eyelets to fall into position easily and keeps the bottom eyelet in the raceway in position for successful setting. The operator simply needs to replenish the bowl as needed. Washers are also placed in a bowl. Inside there is a brush assembly which rotates each time the machine is cycled. This rotation is again accomplished by using a pneumatic cylinder which spins the brushes with each machine cycle. This stirs up the washers and will keep feeding them into the raceway. Descending washers are held in position by a pin in the raceway. As the machine is cycled, the pin retracts, allowing one washer to move forward to a second pin. Then the second pin retracts and an air jet assists in moving the washer the rest of the way down the raceway. The major update to the machine is after the air jet. As the air jet pushes a washer along, it is fed into a slide mechanism. Here, another pneumatic cylinder is used to push the washer forward onto the bottom die, ready for setting. This slide mechanism facilitates perfect positioning of the washer, resulting in improved consistency of settings. The machine is much easier for the operator to run as they don't need to monitor the washer position during each cycle. In the past, this feature only became available with the model AP50 at a much higher cost than the AP40X. While the AP50 still has additional speed and other capabilities over the AP40X, for most applications, the AP40X is now on a par with the AP50. Operator safety is a critical component of every car machine, and the AP40X is no exception. The entire die assembly is behind a clear protective shield. The operator's fingers are out of harm's way, while there is still excellent visibility for proper positioning of material being eyeletted. Ease of use, safety, and improved workflow are all found in the AP40X. Perfect settings are easier than ever.